Hi there, this is Scott. At Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Trane Technologies. This is ticker TT. Now, recently we've seen a massive run in semiconductors, software stocks, and basically the market generally. And I think the industrial sector is an area that could start to go if we do see some consolidation in some of those high-flying areas. And so I was looking at some industrial stocks today and came across Trane Technologies, ticker TT. Now, Trane has a nice little double bottom pattern here. You can see the first bottom here and then the second bottom here. When it hit that second bottom, it then gave us a slingshot move back above the 50-day moving average, and since then has been just riding this daily 8 exponential period moving average. Now, a couple of days ago, it got rejected right here. Now, it didn't get rejected on, super high volume or anything, but it did get rejected at an interesting area. So if I put a line there and zoom all the way out, you can see that that was the breakdown zone from January, February of 2022. And so these longer-term resistance levels are pretty important, at least according to this stock. And so I think Trane has an opportunity to retest the all-time highs back here, right around that 204 area. And I think that if the stock can get above this, short-term resistance zone, probably going to visit 204. And then if it can get above there, maybe it could reach into blue sky territory. Now, Trane is a company, and they make furnaces, HVAC systems, and then they have a ton of industrial companies as well. And so if money is starting to flow back into industrials, I think TT could be a stock you want to watch just because it is pretty close to its all-time highs. So I hope that video is helpful. Hope this chart is helpful. Definitely one to keep an eye on into the coming weeks. My name is Scott, at Scott Trades on Twitter. If you like this, be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.